All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this key holder. Inside of this box, 100% natural wood, is a key holder to hold your keys that you'd put right by your door. Nothing really around the box, so company name there, same picture there. So let's open this up and take a look at it. So we have everything we should need. Little instruction set telling you exactly how to install this. Your little marker for your dry erase board, your screws, and even some pads for putting it up. And then this is a nice template so you know exactly where to drill your holes. Love when they include these. And then this is the actual key holder wrapped in this nice bubble wrap. So you can see here, this is where you could write a message with that. It's kind of like a dry erase board. You've got 3 hooks here and 4 hooks here. And then it can even hold your mail as well as anything else you need to set up there. So that's the front, and then the back, you just put your 2 screws in and it'll slide right on. And so that'll do it for this key holder unboxing. This is everything that comes inside of it, everything you should need, and this would look great on your wall to hold your keys or whatever you may hang there, as well as your mail and maybe those notes for the loved ones. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me to unbox and show you all. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.